Lucy, today we are gonna cook cookies. Yay! How many cookies do you wanna make?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
18 cookies. Pour this flour in here. Yes. Be careful. Could you do that again? Now pour this oil. This is oil. Pour this oil here.
eggs.
Let's break the egg. We need just only one egg for this one. One more time. Break it. Open it. Okay. It's so sticky. Could you just fold and unfold? Is it sticky still? Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Pour this chip.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to stir. Can you stir? Could you hold it this way? Okay. Stir, stir, stir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it difficult? Why?
Because it's so much.
Oh.
Please help me, Daddy.
Okay, let's do it together. Stir, stir, stir. Oh!
누나 돌 같다 돌.
It looks like a rock, stone, rock. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Strong. Yeah. So, how do you feel? Does it feel good?
말랑말랑하고 초코가 맛있겠다.
Chocolate looks delicious.
냠냠.
I think our flour is ready. Add it here. Okay.
손에도 맛있는 냄새 나.
So your hand smells delicious. Yeah, smells like a cookie. Smells like cookies. One more time. Press. Ooh, strong press. Okay, done. Take it away. Okay, now it's successful.
자동차.
아.
콜.
Let's make the. Oh, this one looks great too.
오.
Okay, yummy.
하우스.
Okay, make house. Choose one of them. Gingerbread man.
I wanna make house.
Okay, let's see. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave. Lucy, it looks it's done.
빠방. 빠방 이거.
Is it delicious?
그럼.
Do you like it?
Yes.
You are eating
콜.
car. And it looks very delicious. I want to eat one. Please give me one cookie.
No. 더 큰 거 이렇게 찾아보고 있어. 이거다. 이거.